It's a great company. It's a blessing to know a company cares about its customers and their well-being.
For Ms. Coleman and many others, a safe, comfortable home can make all the difference. Through EnergyShare, employee volunteers, and strong partnerships with local community action agencies, we're able to support customers who need it most by improving energy efficiency, reducing costs, and enhancing overall well-being. Recently, teams came together to complete important weatherization improvements at Ms. Coleman's home, work that will have a lasting impact for years to come.
She was just so overwhelmed and overjoyed at the fact that she was selected and that so many people would extend generosity and kindness to her to come and enhance her home. And so Carolina Community Actions cannot thank Dominion Energy enough for all of the volunteers and what's being done today.
Because at the end of the day, it's not just about energy, it's about caring for the communities we serve.